You've probably noticed it at the gas pump, your favorite restaurant, or even your local hardware store. A few extra dollars tacked onto your bill when you pay with a credit card. These are called surcharges, and more businesses in Alabama are adding them to offset the fees they pay to credit card companies. But are businesses legally required to tell you about these charges before you swipe your card? We verify. Card surcharges can range from 2 to 4% of your purchase. That means a $100 dinner bill could suddenly become $104. But are Alabama businesses required by law to disclose these fees? Let's verify. Our source is the Alabama Code. Here's what we found. There's no Alabama law that requires private businesses to disclose credit card surcharges. No statute says, quote, businesses must post signs about surcharges. And no law requires disclosure before you swipe your card. The only Alabama laws about surcharges apply to government entities, not private businesses. For example, Alabama Code Section 41-160 allows the state government to charge surcharges, and Section 11-103 allows counties and cities to do the same. But restaurants, gas stations, and retail stores aren't included. So does that mean a business could surprise you with a surcharge at the register? Legally, yes. Alabama law doesn't explicitly prohibit it. But here's the catch. The Deceptive Trade Practices Act, again, Section 819.5, prohibits any unconscionable, false, misleading, or deceptive act in trade or commerce. That means if a business charges you more than the advertised price without telling you first, it could be considered misleading or deceptive. However, this is determined case by case, and after searching, we couldn't find any Alabama lawsuits where customers successfully sued businesses for undisclosed surcharges. So we can verify that no, Alabama law does not require businesses to disclose credit card surcharges. However, businesses should disclose these fees to avoid violating the state's Deceptive Trade Practices Act and payment card network rules. If you encounter a surcharge that seems deceptive, you can file a complaint with the Alabama Attorney General's Consumer Interest Division or dispute the charge with your credit card company. And if you have something you want us to verify, text us at 256-382-2692.